Never lose sight of your shipments. Again, Amazon shipment alert system is explained in this video, and this is exactly what it looks like. Turns red, that means you're running low on stock and it's time to get back in stock. Yellow, just like red light, green light, yellow light, you need to make sure that you are about to run out of stock, right? And then there's going to be just a regular one where you're good to go. So we're just looking at these right here, and a lot of them are red. So it's time to restock as soon as humanly possible. To set these up so that way, just have backup. It's nice. You're going to click on the right side, click on set replenishment alerts. So click on that. Once you're there, you can set replenishment alerts. So how much inventory do you want to have in stock? What we like to do for this one is click when weeks of cover reaches, and we just do 12 weeks. So we want to try to have 12 weeks of inventory in Amazon because that gives us a nice little buffer where we can just relax. Right when it goes below 12 weeks, it is time to restock just because of the lead time, the shipment time, sending the PO, the funds if something goes wrong. So you can do that. You can also do when fulfillable quantity reaches a certain amount. So if it reaches 100 units in stock, then it'll be like, hey, time to get back in stock. So it's up to you. And then you can just click, I click cancel, but you just click save after that. After you click save, it may take 24 hours to show, but that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And if you are having difficulty with managing your inventory, or you're having difficulty with just increasing your sales, check out the link in the description. We'll give you a free listing audit where we'll go through your listing, look at all your top competitors, and then just tell you what you need to do to improve your listing. Sometimes it just takes one change that makes the difference between $5,000 a month and $20,000 a month. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we manage your inventory, customer service, ads, Amazon support, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every single day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.